What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how to set up a live wallpaper on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. If your desktop looks boring and you want something that actually moves and looks clean, this is for you. It's quick to set up, easy to use, and I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. And if this guide helps you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it, and it helps the channel a lot. By the end of this video, your Windows 11 desktop is going to look way better without killing your performance. Let's jump right in. First, open any browser on your PC. In the search box, type Lively Wallpaper, and then press Enter. Open this website. This is the website we need. Now click on the Download button. It will send you to download link. Now click on Windows 64-bit installer option, and the setup file will start downloading. When the download finishes, right-click on the setup file and open it to start the installation. Now here, choose Install for Me Only, which is also recommended. Choose your preferred language and click Next. The welcome screen will appear. Click Next here. Accept the terms and click Next again. Now, here is the location where it will get installed. You can change it if you want. And it takes around 500 megabytes of space. Click Next. Check this option if you want a desktop shortcut and click Next. When it is ready to install, click Install. The installation will begin. Wait until it finishes. When the installation finishes, close this window. Now open the Live Wallpaper app. This is the app with simple interface. Here you can choose any live wallpaper you want. So let's say I wanted to use this wallpaper here. We can simply click on the As wallpaper we want. And then now if I come back over to my desktop, you can see we have this live wallpaper. You can choose any wallpaper you want. Let's say you don't like any of these wallpapers. You can use your own custom animated wallpaper by uploading a file. Just open your browser again. In search bar, search for live wallpapers. No, open this website. Here you can find all types of animated and live wallpapers. If you like anime wallpapers, you can click on Anime. Here you will find all anime characters, wallpapers. You can also find wallpapers of your favorite cars. Just select the one you want and open it. Now scroll down and you will see its download link. Choose the one you want and it will start downloading. When the download finishes, go back to the application. Here, click on the plus icon and then upload your video here. You can give any name here if you want and click OK. And your wallpaper will add it. There is also an option of entering a video URL. You can use basically a YouTube video as your wallpaper, but it's not working right now. So that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, then share your feedback in the comments section. See you in the next video.